Want to know how to toggle the case of each character in a string in Java? Well, no worries. If you want to flip the case of every character, so this video is for you. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, in Java, we know that a string holds multiple characters and a char holds a single character. So what we do is we simply loop through each character using two char array. So right here you can see two char array right here under the for loop. So we have looped it in. And once you've done that, if the character is uppercase, we convert it into lowercase using character to lowercase. So under if statement right here you can see character to lowercase. And now if the character is lowercase, we simply convert it to uppercase. So under else if you can see if we have converted it into uppercase right here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. Our non-alphabet characters though stay the same. So for that we just select append right here under else, and after appending we use a string builder, and with that print the result. And that's it. We can just simply run the code and see the results. And this method is super clean for formatting text, and it's super simple as well for building point string manipulations. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.